Hello everyone, welcome to Students Learning Center, Empowering Minds. Today we're gonna see about part 2 of life process, and this is our 8th session in Science MCQs. So let's begin today's session. Today's first question is, the exit of unabsorbed food material is regulated by. The options are liver, anus, small intestine, and anal sphincter. The answer is anal sphincter. Liver controls most chemical levels in the blood. It also secretes a clear yellow or orange fluid called bile. The next question. The respiratory pigment in human beings is carotene, chlorophyll, hemoglobin, mitochondria. The answer is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is present in erythrocytes or RBC, that is red blood cells. Beta carotene is a plant pigment that gives red, orange, and yellow vegetables their color. For example, carrots, sweet potato. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in plants. The next question. Which plant tissue transports water and minerals from the roots to the leaf? Let's see the options. Xylem, phloem, parenchyma, or collenchyma. The answer is xylem. Phloem is a living tissue responsible for transporting food and other organic materials in plants. Let's see the next question. The movement of food in phloem is called. The options are transpiration, translocation, respiration, evaporation. The answer is translocation. We had seen what is transpiration in our previous video. So let's move to the next question. A blood vessel which pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body. The options are artery, capillary, vein, hemoglobin. The answer is artery. Capillary is the smallest blood vessel in the body. They carry blood between the arterioles and venules. Similarly, veins are blood vessels which carry blood from all parts of our body to our heart. Hemoglobin we had discussed in our previous video. So let's see the next question. Name a circulatory fluid in a human body other than blood. The options are platelets, RBC, that is red blood cells, or erythrocytes, lymph, or plasma. The answer is lymph. Platelets are also called as thrombocytes, are small colorless cell fragments in our blood that form clots and stop or prevent bleeding. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ರಕ್ತ ಹೋಗದೇ ಇರೋಂಗೆ ಕಾಪಾಡೋದೇ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಥ್ರಾಂಬೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್. RBC or red blood cells or erythrocytes are cells that circulate in the blood and carry oxygen from our lungs to the rest of our bodies. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಾ ಅಂದರೆ it is the component of blood and responsible for transporting important nutrients and waste products to and away from the cells. Then lymph. Lymph nothing but mainly contains white blood cells, mainly lymphocytes. These lymphocytes are the cells that attack the bacteria in the blood. The next question is, name the tube which connects the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Let's see the options. Urethra, nephron, tubule, and ureter. The answer is urethra. Urethra is a tube that allows urine to pass outside the body. Nephron, or also called as uriniferous tubules, it is a small microscopic structure and functional unit of the kidney. It regulates the entire waste removal process from the blood in the body. The next question is, where is the dirty blood in our body filtered? The options are heart, lungs, urethra, kidneys. The answer is kidneys. Kidneys removes waste and extra fluid from our body. Heart pumps enough blood to deliver a continuous supply of oxygen and other nutrients to all parts of our body. The next question. The procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating urea from it is called. Let's see the options. Osmosis, filtration, dialysis, double circulation. About osmosis we had discussed in our previous video. Then what will be the answer? The answer is dialysis. The next question. Glycolysis process occurs in which part of the cell? Let's see the options. The options are cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplast. The answer is cytoplasm. That's it for today's session. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and watch our previous videos also. Thank you.